How I used to study for long hours during my preparation. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Preeti and I'm your personal guide for all those dentistry related problems. Today I'll be sharing my secrets of studying for long hours, which I used to follow during my preparation days. First of all, set a study table. Keep a clean study table without any extra book and just the ones you are going to study. Because just by looking at extra books, you actually feel like getting bored and being burdened that you have lot to do. But when you have single book, you will be like, no, I have just one thing to do, and that one thing in your mind will lead you to other things eventually, right? As it's written, not on bed, but you can shift position. Keep changing your posture and location. Actually, it helps you to maintain that certain amount of enthusiasm towards studies. So what I used to do, I used to first study on my study table, then I used to shift towards my couch, but not lying. I used to sit straight for just changing my ambience around me. Sometimes I used to sit in my balcony, sometimes I used to sit on my bed also, but that too with a small table in front of me. Then set a time slot. Either keep a 30-minute time slot or 45 minutes of time slot. It's better to keep short time slots, because if you are extending it too much, like no, I have lot to do, I should keep it to 1 hour or 2 hour, it actually affects your capability and your performance. 1 hour is actually fine also, but not more than 1 and 1.5 hours. So if you're starting right now, 30 and 45 minutes time slot is totally okay. If you're keeping a time slot of 30 minutes or 45 minutes, you can take a break of 5 minutes. And if it's a time slot of 1 hour or 1.5 hour, then it can extend up to 10 minutes of break. So what I used to do for my break, in break time, don't touch your phone. This is the most stupid thing which people do, that I'll use my phone or scroll through some reels. No, don't touch that. It will only distract you, and your 5 minutes time will extend up to half hour to 1 hour, and you won't even realize that. So rather sleep for 5 minutes. That's called power nap. Power napping actually works. I used to just work for 30 minutes or 45 minutes, then 5 minutes power napping, and it feels like a new person, a totally fresh person. Or if you don't feel like sleeping, you can just walk in your home only or wherever you are staying. Eat something, eat something fresh like fruits, juices, or dry fruits maybe. And always keep a water bottle beside you, because when you're studying you don't feel like getting up to get some water, and actually if you get up in the middle, it affects the consistency which you are in. And if you have any balcony in your room or house, you can just go out and have some fresh air, and that would be all right. During your preparation, it's really necessary to have a study partner, and that too a reliable one. What does it mean by reliable? Reliable is like your study partner should be the one who is pushing you to study, and not someone who is actually jealous of you and pulling you and making you feel not to study. I have many students who told me that, ma'am, I can't find any study partner because my friends are not like that to study. So, if you can't find one, make one. What does that mean? There are many videos online, like study with me. If you type on YouTube study with me videos, you'll find lots of videos for 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour study. It's like that. So, you can just imagine them as your study partner and start studying with them. The amount of studies they are doing, you have to fix that. I have to complete this amount of topic in this much of time. So in the back of your head, there is something like that urgency to complete that topic. Only then you can complete that topic in the given time. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll be sharing more after few days. Till then, you just keep studying, keep reading, and keep working hard for your goal. All the best.